and welcome to AC Entertainment Technologies and this, the Nexo ID84. The ID84 is a revolutionary column speaker from Nexo's ID series. It supercharges the concept of the column loudspeaker and expands its role well beyond just vocal reproduction and into powerful, high-quality music applications. Measuring 1 metre tall, the ID84 uses 8 specially designed 4-inch drivers with a unique patent-pending array of 8 soft dome tweeters for the HF. This array achieves particularly low levels of distortion when compared with conventional compression drivers and contributes towards its superior hi-fi performance. It achieves a frequency range of 90 Hz to 20 kHz with a peak SPL of 136 dB. The ID84 is suitable for corporate and live events, installations, theatres, houses of worship and hospitality. It's well suited with the Nexo's IDS312 sub. Using Nexo's coupling bars, 2 ID84s and 2 ID84Ls can be fixed together to create a 4 metre high array for larger venues. A single NX 4x1 DSP controller amp will power up to 4 ID84s and 2 IDS312 subs, giving you an incredible speaker setup, flexible enough for most situations and projects.